Alright, so today I'm attempting to do it yourself modification number 30 or so it seems. These are the FJ Toyman rear shock shin guards, and all you need is a 17-inch socket and breaker bar to get the bolt out, some Loctite to put the bolt back, and then these attach using the stock bolt, and then these additional ones right here. There's this one with the washer. So we're gonna attempt to install it, and it should be pretty easy. All you have to do is loosen this bolt right there, and we're gonna do that with the breaker bar. So let's see if we can get that done, and it should take like 5 minutes, other than the fact that I'm videoing. All right, let's see what happens. Well, I'm gonna have to take the tire off. I was trying to get it done without taking the tire off, but I can't get that part to fit in there. Oh well. Anyways, these FJ Toyman ones really protect the bolt, and that's what I wanted to do with this one. There's other ones that protect the shaft, but my Icon long travel 56550s came with this rubber boot, and that protects the shaft, so I don't have to worry about rocks hitting it, you know, like little pebbles and gravel. But this won't fit unless I probably lift it, so I gotta get the jack out and lift it and see if I can fit it. Alright, well, I guess it's not gonna be 5 minutes, it's gonna be more. Alright, well, the wheels are now off, and now I have room to install it. So, let's see if that works right there. So let's see, I believe it was this one. There we go. So, now we're gonna use some blue Loctite. I think this one had red before, but we're just gonna go with blue. Then we gotta get the other bolt. There we go. There's the bolt, and this is the bolt protector. was messy. Huh. Okay, and this is a 5/8. Let's see if we can get it in there. There we go. All right, and the bottom bolt, this one's set at 72. Oh. There we go. All right, and we are done installing the FJ Toyman rear shock shin guard. And the nice thing is that it protects the bolt right here against rocks in the bottom, and it's actually attached from two sides so it doesn't move. That was a complaint with some other ones, that they only had one attachment point and it would move. Some of them have a cover back here to cover the shaft on the rear shock, but I don't need that because mine came with the rubber boot protecting the shaft. Alright, so the other side is exactly the same, but on my GX470 I did have to take out the tires because I have the Needle Ridge Grapplers 285/70R17, and they're like 11.6 inches wide, and that's why it probably didn't fit. There wasn't enough room. Alright, that's all for now.